Hi everyone. My name is Hina Yaqub Bhatti. I am a student of University of Extremadura. My supervisor's name is Mercedes Gilan and Clementina. Now I am going to present the topic of the role of United Nations unpacking harmful practice against Tory culture. September 2015 is a significant year because 2030 Agenda of Sustainability Development was launched by United Nations, established by United Development Goals, and provide the sheer footprint for peace and prosperity for the people and planet. Now, into the future, at its the heart, the 17 Sustainability Development Goals are which are urgent call for action by countries developed and developing in a global partnership. They organize the ending poverty and other deprivation must go hand in hand with categories. The improve health, education, reduce inequality and economic growth, all while taking climate change, the working to preserve our oceans and forests. So the sustainability development is defined by United Nations is a development that meet the needs of the promises by the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. In this case, we focus on sustainability development goals number 5, which focus on gender equality, which describe the gender equality and empower all women and girls. This case, I will present you Stop Jaheezkhori campaign, which are developed by in developing country in Pakistan. Especially this campaign was done by United Nations. And this campaigns, the first campaign's symbol was Hina stamp, which thousands of women and men wore as you symbol on the hand during the wedding season in Pakistan, especially into December in 2018. The second campaign, as usual, the second campaign was run in Pakistan fashion designer Ali Zishan in 2021 with a new title. The name is Numaish. Theoretical background. The gender equality, the United Nations describe as the gender equality is not only fundamental human rights, but a necessary foundation for a peaceful, prosperous, and sustainability world, providing women and girls with equal access to education, healthcare, decent work, representation in political, economic decision-making process, with fuel, sustainability, economics, and benefits societies and humanities at large. The second one is violence against women. The United Nations define against the violence against women any act of gender-based violence that results in or is likely to result in physical, sexual, and mental harm or suffering to women, included threat of such acts, creates arbitrary deprivations of liberty, whether occurring in public or private life. So therefore, WHO and UN published various violence all over the world. Number 1, 35% of women all across the world are abusive, physical, sexual, intimate partner violence. And number 2, the nation studies that 70% of women have experienced physical and sexual violence from intimate partners. And the third one is that 38% of murders of women are committed by males. And the fourth, 87,000 women were intentionally killed in 2017 across the world. 650 million women and girls are married before the age of 18. 15 million adult girls, which the age of 15 are into 19 above, the global have experienced forced sex at the same point in their life. According to this report, because these studies are focused on in developing countries, Pakistan, so that's why according to CI report 2020, The Pakistan population has increased very fast. 233 million estimates in July 2020, and now Pakistan has become a fifth most populous country and the second largest South Asian country, and the lowest rank of global equality in the world. So therefore, we discuss this case studies about the dowry. So that's why we tell about what is dowry. Marriage plays a vital role in the human life. Dowry is turning point of human balanced life. Before marriage, there are big deal of human life before marriage. But specifically in Asian countries like India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, they have no laws are available. Pakistan is based on the Islamic country, and the dowry is very, very important and necessary in the every class. The UN woman, the case development. So that's why in this situation, the problem is increases day by day about the dowry culture. That's why the United Women are sponsored to work on our dowry culture. That's why United Women is a United Nation entity devoted to gender equality and women's empowerment. Many United Nations face many challenges regarding gender equality globally and equality funding to our UN activity and gender equality issues. So that's why the first campaign, UN campaign, was launched in Pakistan with the name of Stop Jaheez Khori. With the meaning of English is Stop Dowry Mortgaging. This campaign was very, very successful in 2018 because this campaign was run by social media in social media as well. The celebrities are more involved in this campaign, and they use a stamp who stamped, and they focus on Stop Jaheez Khori campaign. And the Pakistani pupils like majority of the people like celebrities. That's why this campaign was very, very successful in 2018. But after the second campaign was run by a famous designer, Ali Zishan, who run a very campaign with the name of Numaish. But this pupils are not happy about this campaign. With the main reason is that pupils are saying that you sell a rather heavy amount of very amount of expensive dresses, and you run a very expensive business. But the pupil, he says that I run a business, but with the bridal dresses, and its bridal dresses are is a very heavy amount. But it depends on you. If you have a large amount of in your pocket, then you buy it. If you are not, then you are not buy it. But in this campaign was run in Banking Hum Bridal Culture Week. This Culture Week, in this the wife is also in this on this ramp, and he shows that be respect on your woman. And this campaign was very successful, and after Ali Zishan campaign was very successful in this campaign. Conclusion: in this century, the dowry has still exists in the Pakistan society, and the people not live this culture. That's why the UN women organization are running this campaign after 2 or 3 years, because these UN women are saying that if we eliminate this culture in Pakistan, the dowry system is good, but the parents, if the parents give the bride to as a gift, but is not forced to any person who give a lot of dowry. And after the such kind of campaign against the dowry system, the more beneficial through a social media platform, And because the people got aware of the caste system and the dowry-related violence, abuse, bride burning, wife murders, and female infanticide, and some of the highly determinant illness preparing against the woman. The previous act against dowry in Pakistan are the world legal code have chiefly become more effective. Thank you.